The principle of magnesium sulfate estimation by complexometric titration is based on the formation of a stable complex between magnesium ions and EDTA, ethylenediamine tetrashic acid, a chelating agent. EDTA reacts with magnesium ions in a 1:1 ratio and forms a colorless complex. The indicator areochrome black T, which forms a wine-red complex with magnesium ions, is used to detect the endpoint of the titration. When all the magnesium ions are complexed with EDTA, the excess EDTA reacts with the indicator and changes its color from wine-red to blue. The volume of EDTA solution used is proportional to the amount of magnesium sulfate in the sample. Here is a detailed procedure for the estimation of magnesium sulfate by complexometric titration. 0.3 g of anhydrous magnesium sulfate in 50 ml of distilled water dissolve about. Add 10 ml of ammonia buffer, pH 10, and 2 to 3 drops of areochrome black T indicator. The solution will turn wine red due to the formation of a complex between magnesium ions and the indicator. Titrate the solution with 0.05 m EDTA solution from a burette until the color changes from wine red to blue, indicating the endpoint. EDTA solution used. Record the volume of EDTA solution used. Repeat the titration with 2 more aliquots of magnesium sulfate and take the average volume of EDTA solution used. Calculate the amount of magnesium sulfate in the sample using the following formula. Amount of MgSO4 equals volume of EDTA times normality of EDTA times 246.48/1000. 246.48 MgSO4. Report the result as percentage of magnesium sulfate in the sample.